Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. In our previous class, we have studied about combination formulas for subtraction, that is for minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Today we will learn how to do multiplication on abacus. So take out page number 32. On page number 32 we have multiplication questions. Let's start it. My dear children, when we do multiplication on abacus, we use the ones and tens rod of the abacus. Here I have taken your abacus, student abacus. First the multiplier, that means a one digit number will multiply the first digit, that is the highest place. Okay, and how many rods we require on the abacus will depend upon the total digits 1, 2, 3. So we require three rods on the abacus. So 2 ones are we will do, 2 ones are is 2. So 2 will be placed on the 100 and tens place. If you take 2 rods, how will you place 2? You will place 2 here. Show 2 here. Then 2 threes are is 6. 6 will be placed using these 2 rods. 6 will be taken as 0, 6. Okay. So show 6 here. What is the answer on the abacus? The answer is 26. That is our product. Let's do one more question. What did I say? Multiplier will multiply first digit in the highest place and then the second digit. So 3 threes are 9. Here we have to use 3 rods starting from 2 rods. 3 threes are 9. Why we have taken 2 rods? So that if we have a 2 digit number after multiplication, suppose यहाँ पे 8 होता, 3 8s are 24. So 20 and 4 here. But 3 threes are is 9. So we will take 0, 9. Show 9. Then when you will multiply 3 2s are, the answer will be placed in these 2 rods, tens and ones. 3 2s are is 6. Write it as 0, 6. So 0 and 6. What is the answer? 96. 27 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 will be shown here. 4 will be taken as 0, 4. Then 2 7s are 14. Use these 2 rods for 14. 14 is not possible here. 10 is not possible. So use formula plus 50 minus 40. This is 10 and this is 4. The answer on the abacus is 54. Now, introduction to 3-digit addition and subtraction. We can add and subtract 3-digit numbers as well. So let's start. For 3-digit, we need 3 rods, ones, tens, and 100. 302. This is 3. This is 100. 100 means 0 and 2. Next is 110. 110. 110. Next is minus 301. Minus 300 minus 1. So the answer is 111. Let me do one more question for you. 144. This is 144. Minus 110. Minus 110. 210. 210. So the answer is 244. This way you will do this page. Page number 37 has a new question for you. Move and write for 20 moves. Base number is 27. So what will we do in this page is, we will keep the base number as 27. That we have to show on the abacus. This is 27. Now on the bracket, in the bracket, right hand side it is written plus 2. So that means when you will add plus 2 in 27, you will get the answer of this box. So add plus 2. The answer is 29. Again you will add 2. How to add 2? Use the big friend formula. The formula is plus 2 equals to minus 8 plus 10. So minus 8 plus 10. So the answer is 31. Again plus 2. The answer is 33. Again plus 2. Plus 2 is not possible, but plus 5 is there. So use small friend formula for plus 2. Plus 5 minus 3. So answer is 35. This way you will find all the boxes answer and you will move from top to bottom. This way you have to complete the page number 37. On page number 42 we have multiplication, where multiplier is written first and then the multiplicand. So here we have to use 3 rods because we have 3 digit 1, 2, 3. 6 will multiply 2 and then 5. 6 2s are 12. We have to show 12 in these two rods. 1 to 12. Then 6 5s are 30. These two rows will show 30. 30 is not possible. Apply small friend formula. Plus 50 minus 20 and 0. Answer is 150. I will do one more question for you. 7 5s are is 35. Show here in these two rods 35. Then 7 9s are 63. Show here 60 is not possible here. So for 60, can we apply big friend formula? 60 formula is minus 40. Minus 40 is not possible. So apply 60's combination formula. 60's combination formula is plus 10 minus 50 plus 10. That means plus 100 here. Okay. The answer is 410. 63. 7 9s are 63. 60 is done. 3 is here. So the answer is 413. On page number 44, beautiful flowers are drawn for you, and the question is find the product of. What you need to do is here 3 will multiply to 4. 3 4s are 12. 3 8s are right here 24. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. This way you will do rest of the 3 flowers. Now my dear children, one more topic you will find in this book, which is Introduction to Decimals. Okay, we are going to do this topic, Introduction to Decimals, in the next class, class 4. So only Introduction to the Decimals will not be done by you. Rest of the book you can fill yourself. The formulas you can find on some pages. I will tell you that page. All these formulas should be learned by you. You can see it on page number 51. These are small friends formula, plus minus. These are big friends formula, these plus and these minus, and we have combination formulas. All the total 34 formulas should be learned by you. So have a nice day, students, and complete this book.